welcome back to Misha's Corner. So as you know, I already made the Guinness punch. You know, spring is rapidly approaching. As a matter of fact, it's already summer in Houston. So now we're going to make the Jamaican fruit punch drink. So let's get started. Alright, so in my pot I have 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to add another cup. That's 2 cups of sugar. You're going to add 2 cups of water. Equal amounts. We're basically making a ginger mint simple syrup. I'm using bottled water. You're going to take your ginger. This was a whole lot of ginger right here. It's like a big old hunk and I sliced it. I didn't even peel it because we're going to strain it. Put it down in there. Simmer it for 5 minutes. Let it cool down. Put your mint down in there. And basically you're just going to let it sit there for like 10-15 minutes. Watermelon chopped up, lemon slices. This is going to go down in the punch. Then over here I have some lemons. We're going to squeeze the juice out of those. And we're going to pour that down into the punch. Alright guys, so finally we're going to put it all together. So, because I want some of this lemon and watermelon to break down a little bit, I'm going to put a little in the bottom. As I mix it, now you're going to add your mango nectar or mango juice. Guys, I tried so hard to find passion fruit juice, which is what my grandmother used, was passion fruit juice, and I couldn't find it anywhere. I was so mad, but that's okay. Then you're going to add some orange juice. Basically, I'm putting in here maybe 2 to 3 cups of each one. Then you're going to go in here with some pineapple juice. You're going to add your simple syrup down in here. You're going to add your lemon juice that we squeezed down in there. And then you're going to add your grenadine for some color. Mix it up. Yum. Oh, look at that color. So now you're going to add the rest of your fruit down in here. Watermelon, lemons, everybody's going right down in there. Mix this up one last time. Just like back home. I'm just going to pour my drink up. How delicious does that look? Alright guys, so this is what my drink looks like. It's nice and refreshing. I'm about to put my little pink straw. Y'all know I love pink. Let's give this a try. First of all, you can't tell me that came straight off the boat. I haven't had fruit punch that tasted like this since I left the islands. Like seriously, that ginger, I'm telling you, that ginger. Again, like I said, I just wish I had passion fruit juice because my grandmother, that's what she put in hers, but I used what I had available. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple fruit punch drink, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.